The secret to Swedish dishcloth's awesomeness is the innovative blend of cellulose and cotton, so things like absorbency, longevity, and overall quality will be nearly identical between brands. After weeding out brands whose manufacturing practices aren't as sustainable or ethical as they may seem, we were left with a short list of Swedish dishcloths that are actually worth your time and money. There are many products available to Swedish wholesale Swedish dishcloths 10-pack reusable, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel to get new reviews. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Please watch the video in full. Share more videos of the product so that everyone can benefit from seeing the reviews. Number 1. Swedish Wholesale Swedish Dishcloths 10-pack Reusable. Super absorbent. Perfect for wiping down any surface, our Swedish dishcloths for kitchen and bathroom cleaning pick up spills and splashes like magic. Reusable, step-aside, paper towels. This Swedish dishcloth can clean up messes time and time again. Just throw in the wash after use and it'll be good as new. Multi-purpose, safe for marble, stainless steel, tile, and wood surfaces. These kitchen dishcloths also work for scrubbing or drying dishes, cups, mugs, sinks, tubs, and showers. Value pack. Get 10 washable dish rags, available in your choice of blue, gray, lime, pink, purple, watermelon red, white, yellow, or assorted colors. Effective clean, made from cellulose and cotton. Each dishcloth becomes soft to the touch when wet, and gritty enough for scouring when dry. Number 2. Swedish dishcloths, original made in Sweden by the eco-gurus. Swedish dishcloths, dishcloth, Swedish dishcloths for kitchen, dishcloths for kitchen, kitchen wipes, sponge cloth, kitchen dishcloths, Swedish dishcloth, sponge cloths kitchen, reusable paper towels washable. Cloth paper towels, Swedish dishcloths, reusable dishcloth, Swedish dish towels, dish clothes for washing dishes odor-free, reusable kitchen wipes, Swedish dish towels, washable paper towel, Swedish washcloths, dishcloths for kitchen washing dishes, kitchen wipes reusable cloth, cloth sponge, Swedish dish clothes, reusable wipes for cleaning, reusable towels for kitchen, cloth paper towels reusable washable, Swedish towels, paper towels reusable, reusable paper towels washable, kitchen wipe, Swedish cloths. Number 3. SUPERSCANDI Swedish dishcloths. Stylish dish towels and dishcloths for wash clothes kitchen. Color Variations offers great options to stylize your kitchen decor with dish towels and cloths. Pick any color of kitchen rags washcloths you want and set your own vibe. The only kitchen towel set you need. These kitchen wash clothes packs are multi-utility, ideal for cleaning crockeries and bar towel, restaurants, offices, homes, and hotels. These also assist in wrapping bread stays by your side. Here's a tip. For the best result, wash these dish rags to wash dishes only in the machine in cold water and tumble dry at low heat. Number 4. Swedish dishcloths for kitchen reusable. Swedish dishcloths for kitchen reusable. Selle Swedish dish clothes, 8-pack cellulose sponge cloths, reusable dishcloth and washable cellulose dishcloth. Original dish towels for eco-friendly gifts, fast drying and odorless as these cloths dry quickly. No any smell of dampness caused by germs. Read more kind to the environment, no chemicals, no landfill. Made from natural, sustainable materials, 30% cotton, 70% cellulose. Perfect for your home, plant in the planet. Number 5. 6 pieces Swedish kitchen dish towels, kitchen cloths reusable. What can you get? The kitchen dishcloth set includes 6 dishcloths that have 6 different patterns. The patterns are vivid and cute, which will bring you a pleasant cleaning experience. Safe for kitchen. The dishcloth is made of fabric, which is safe to use, a choice for your kitchen, suitable for cleaning and washing dishes, cups, and cleaning countertops. You can get rid of smelly sponges and disposable towels. Reliable material. The dishcloth is made of fabric. This material is reliable and strong, can enable you to use them in your kitchen for a long time. Washable and reusable. The reusable cloth is dishwasher safe, washer safe, and can also be cleaned in a microwave to make it clean. Pack of 6 cleaning cloths, assorted colors, measuring 7x 8 inches,